So I'm at Disney's Contemporary Resort. We're gonna get breakfast here today. Alright, touch, English, Mickey Mouse shaped waffles, bacon only. Oh, that looks good. Alright, 2. What else? Order now?
Yeah.
Darn it. This one's a little different from the one I did yesterday, but they're the same kind of machines. You just order on them. Alright guys, so this is a Contemporary Resort. It's really cool. My sister's here. We got Nesquik chocolate milks, Mickey Mouse waffles right here, and bacon. She got the same thing. That's Mickey right there. Hi Mickey, how are you? I'm about to eat you. Alright, so what do you think about it? She's already had it. I haven't even started yet, because I'm still looking at how good it looks. What do you think about it?
It's good.
10 out of 10? It's contemporary. It comes through the hotel. Isn't that cool? A monorail. It comes right through the hotel. Wow. Tradition is for me to pour my chocolate milk into her cup. It's a weird tradition, but okay. Alright. Alright.
Keep it coming.
If you look from the previous vlogs, alright, I'm leaving the Contemporary right now and we're going to Blizzard Beach. Gotta get the bus to Blizzard Beach. Yesterday I broke my iPhone. It's working right now, but I got water in here. So every time I turn it on, it turns off, but right now it's working. I'm at Blizzard Beach. I have my pass to get in. Excited. Blizzard Beach. There's Summit Plummet right there. 120 feet.
I haven't been sober in a week or more, and my card just got declined at the liquor store, and I spent my rent getting bent, yet I'm ready for more. Sometimes I ask myself why I do this shit. I spend all my free time doing stupid shit, 'cause I could
Okay. Whoa! 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 Wow! Oh, shucks. Oh, God. Alright, I think I'm gonna go on the purple slope. We're going on the purple slope right now. On the purple slopes. Toboggan racers. Oh. Oh gosh, right now.
Best water ever.
Alright, this is a wave pool. Whoa! Alright, so we're going in this lazy river right here. Let's go. Lazy river. Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Wow! Wow! Okay, so we're at the, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's the Lot A Wata Lodge. I think that's what it's called. I got a cheeseburger and fries for lunch, and my sister got chicken nuggets. And yeah, so here we are. The food is amazing here. I love it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm leaving Blizzard Beach right now, and I think I'm gonna go to Hollywood Studios. So check out my other vlog today. I'm gonna be going to Hollywood Studios. I know this was kind of a short vlog, but anyway, yep, that's Blizzard Beach, and I'm leaving right now.